Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha Musicast RX-V4A home cinema surround sound receiver and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If this receiver amplifier is not working or it is not connecting to Wi-Fi or it is not pairing or syncing with your devices, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of the device, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get a fresh start with this device and set it up maybe on a new network or in a new situation, we can go ahead and clear everything out of it. All we need to do is come over here to the menu, and from the menu, then we're going to use the dial to toggle through to the settings, and from settings we're going to toggle through to the initialization, and from the initialization we are going to go to the initialize all. And once we select that, it'll give us a little warning. We will confirm it, and everything will be reset to its factory default out-of-box settings.